Skillbyte here, and let's say on the off chance that maybe you had a mouse make a nest inside your ND's air intake, and you removed the filter, but there's still stuff way up in there. So you're gonna have to go in from the top. I'll show you how. So step one, gently pop that up. You'll need a Phillips or an 8mm. So if you look in the back of the weather stripping, see where it's blue? That's where you need to remove the clips from under here. Maybe you can see that. Let me show you what they look like so, and you squeeze them front to back. And that one just came up on its own, and there's one more here. That one could be fun to get to, but I just used my hands. You want to pull this apart. This is your washer fluid, and the trick on these hoses is to don't pull, push, like so. All right, now there's a little tab right here. All that over, one right there. That lets you pull it up a little, and that gives you access. And then you use a little screwdriver, pop these out from the center, or you can try to, now, screwdriver. So that allows you to pull this out. And that gives you access down in there, where you can find what I was trying to get to. I thought there was more than that up here. Okay, but I will tell you, need to put something over that. So I had some 1/2" hardware cloth available, galvanized, so it doesn't rust. Now a mouse can fit through a hole the size of a dime. 1/2" is really, really close, and some people say they can get through, some say they can't. Well, I guess I'll see if it works for me. So I've already cut it to the rough shape. Now I'm going to trim it, these corners, so that it'll fit on it. If I was buying new, I would buy a 1/4 inch. With the hardware cloth or whatever you're going to use, cut to size. For me, I'm going to put some electrical tape around the edges so that it won't scratch the paint on this side. You could also, if you got some foam like that, you could put that around. You put the foam around the top there of the entrance to keep that from getting scratched up. In fact, I may put some tape on it. That might work better. Put some tape on that, and then also put some tape on the around the edge of the hardware cloth. Okay, tape around the edge, tape around the hardware cloth. Now take this, so there you go, finished product. It shouldn't scratch. It should work, though there's some question about the size, the 1/2" size. We'll see. I'm sure it's better than nothing. There are some covers on the market that I'd be happy to test out if someone wants to have me do so and do a review on them. But until then, we'll try this out. And if you had the 1/4 inch, I guarantee well, I'm not gonna guarantee anything. If you have a 1/4 inch, the mice should not be able to get in it for sure. Even with the 1/2", they shouldn't be able to, but I guess time will tell. So now, just have to put everything back together in reverse order. So I hope that was helpful. Please like, subscribe, donate, or comment, and good luck with yours.